Okay, so after seeing the reactions, let us go to the beam tab. So here you can see the bending moment. You can see these results in a different manner as well. So let us maximize this window. You can see the bending moment diagram. So click on results menu over here. So click on results and click on view value, and here click on reactions. The reaction that we want is global Y because we got only the upward reactions, and the bending that we want is global RZ because the moment that we got is in the Z direction, and we click on annotate. So by doing this, you can see the reactions, that is the upward forces, and the movements, that is the movement along the Z direction. Click on remove all, and if we click on beam results, from here you can see the bendings, shear force, axial force, displacements. Okay, if we see the bending and if we see the maximum value, check this at the maximum and click on annotate. You can see the maximum value of the bending at each point. Right now just close this. So right now you can see that the movement diagram is not clear. For this we have to scale the movement diagram. So left click on this option, and after that go to scales. After that check this option, apply immediately. So in the bending is in the Z direction, we want to make this one look bigger, so we have to decrease the scale. So let us decrease the scale. So now you can see clearly the movement diagrams. Click on OK. So this is one way, and the other way is, so hold Control on your keyboard. After that the middle mouse button or the wheel on your mouse, just scroll it. Okay, and if you scroll it clockwise, so the size of the diagram will increase, and if we scroll it anti-clockwise, the size of the diagram will decrease. This is how you see the bending moment diagram. Another option to see the bending moment diagram is from here. So right now we are seeing the bending moment in the Z direction, that is bending Z moment. If you want to see the bending Y moment, click on this. So there is no bending Y, and uncheck this. Okay, so you cannot see anything.